Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Alright guys, so today I'm taking a look at the carbon fiber summit knife by The Ridge. Let's check it out. So this is The Ridge's second summit knife release, with the titanium version being the first. Now I did do a review on this a few months back, and if you guys haven't seen that one, I'll put a little link right above here. But let's put that off to the side and check out this carbon fiber summit knife. I just measured this. The blade is about 2.75 inches long with a total overall length of 6 3/8 inches. And the website says this weighs 2.7 ounces, but when I weighed it, it's coming in at 2.2 ounces. So it is a little less than what they stated on the website. So if you guys did see my titanium summit knife review, you're gonna see that it's got the exact same D2 steel drop point blade right here, which is absolutely gorgeous. I love the look of these drop point blades here. But you're gonna see this D2 steel is painted black, so this is absolutely beautiful. Really nice looking blue thumb stud here. The action is actually pretty nice opening this thing. And only being 2.2 ounces, this carbon fiber is so lightweight. That's why it's replacing this titanium in my pocket, because this titanium version, I forgot what it weighs, let's see. Comes in at 3.7 ounces. So it doesn't seem like a lot, but when it's in your pocket, yeah, I want a super lightweight minimalist knife, and that's what this is giving me. And what I really love about the summit knife's design is it kind of defies the classic folding pocket knife look, because if you look at it, it kind of looks like a shrunken down Ridge wallet with this little notch here and everything. And like I said before with the titanium version, it just feels good to hold. You would think with no choil or no finger notches here that it would be uncomfortable, but it's actually not. It's actually surprisingly comfortable to hold this thing. So if we take a look at the spine here, the jimping is right here on the blade itself. Nothing that goes onto the actual handle, which I don't mind choking up on. This actually feels pretty nice. All right, so let's talk about the stainless steel pocket clip here. It is a black stainless steel pocket clip, and it is a tip down carry. You cannot reverse it to make it a tip up carry if you wanted to, or reverse it on the other side at all. It's just one and done right there. And one thing I do wish they did, and it's exactly the same on the titanium version, as you guys can see here, it's not exactly a deep pocket carry. So I kind of wish they got rid of this little part right here, because when you have it in your pocket, it sticks up just that much. And I kind of wish it went all the way to the top to make it a true deep pocket carry. And this carbon fiber is absolutely beautiful. Look at this. And it's pretty thick. So check that out. And if you guys have already noticed, if I open it, it is a liner lock. So I'm kind of curious why they switched from the titanium version, which has the much stronger frame lock, to the liner lock. Not that there's anything wrong with the liner lock, you know, it's tried and true, but I'm just a fan of frame locks. They're much stronger. It's just a big, beefier, thicker lock. Maybe they did that because of the carbon fiber. It might get worn down easier. I'm not a knife engineer, so I'm not exactly sure the reason, but that's my best guess. But while I have this out, so check out the differences here. There is not much of a difference when they're fully extended. And check it out right there. They finally put D2 carbon fiber right there on the blade. I love that. On the titanium model, I'm not sure if they changed that or not, but there is nothing indicating that this is D2 steel on here at all. So I love that they actually put that right here on the blade. But yeah, guys, outside of work, this has become my EDC knife. I carry it every single day. It just feels weightless when I have it in my pocket, and I love it. And I love the action on this thing. It could be a little smoother closing. So I think that just might be something as simple as loosening this pivot screw here, but it could be a little smoother closing, but opening it up compared to the titanium, which feels really stiff. But I think that can be a really super easy fix, maybe with just some oil or some nano lube. I might just drop a few drops of nano lube in there and see what that does. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What do you guys think of the carbon fiber summit knife by The Ridge? Now I've had this for about a month now and I absolutely love it. It hasn't left my pocket since I received it. I'm just a huge fan of the carbon fiber, and I love D2 steel. It's easily sharpened and it holds that edge for quite a while. I haven't sharpened this thing yet, and it's still cutting like butter. If you do want to pick one of these up, it's about $160 on the Ridge website, which I will leave links right below. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe, and go!